He's got fire this quarter, yet to miss.
I got a lettuce salmon burger, but he got a salmon burger. I'm gonna let y'all watch him eat that. And he got chips on the side. And he playing 2K. We're not actually watching a game, so don't copyright me.
Running away with this one. And time now for the
You will copyright for 2K.
with the third quarter
I will.
soon to follow on 2K Sports.
People record 2K when they do videos.
Yeah, all that girl.
Yeah.
Getting back to the action now. It's been a one-team show so far, but we'll see if that changes. Queen with a strong contribution so far in this one.
Yeah, double-double already. I mean, this sort of energy, it really just energizes your whole team.
Yeah, this has been so much fun to watch. The way she's impacted the game in a bunch of different ways. It's going to be hard to slow her down.
Now Gray, pass to Queen. Now here's Young. Nails for three-point land.
Get your popcorn ready. Her performance from long range has been something to behold, something to admire.
Yeah, no doubt about it. I mean, that's been her shot today.
And here's Griner. Now Morrow. Shot clock at 5.
He's fire.
Right back with the 3 of her own.
I like it like
but
this.
it's no good.
I like the lettuce wrap.
Chelsea Gray for 3. And the ace is another 3.
And their lead gets even more enormous. They play terrific basketball at both ends.
No doubt about it. I certainly can't think of an area where they've underperformed.
And either can I.
And she can't answer back. The three-pointer offline.
See y'all in the next video.